All right. So, hey guys, I'm trying to make a relatively quick video here, and this is in regards to using star sand. I was looking at some stuff, and I had been told, or I'd read that star sand only has a shelf life of a year or two. Now, in one of my videos, I was holding up my star sand container, and I don't know how long I've had it. I've had it for a long time, a couple years. So did some reading, and I actually called Star Sand just to get their input. And so what I was told is that the Star Sand in solution, so you got to have mix up your batch of 1 ounce to 5 gallons. In solution, it should be less than 3.5 pH. Now I've read that it's supposed to be below 3.0, but when I called Star Sand, they actually said 3.5. So I mixed up a batch of mine and uh, took the pH. I did calibrate my pH meter prior to doing this. So I had some mixed up star sand that's actually been sitting in a 5 gallon pail for about 5 days now. Uh, so I took the pH of my star sand that's in solution and it came out to 2.58. I did ask what the non diluted star sand pH should be. So they didn't have an answer for me. Um, The lowest that they've seen in solution is typically around 1.2. That's going to be the lowest in solution. It usually is around 2.5 to 2.7 in your pH. But they say as long as it's below 3.5, then your P or your star sand is still good. Luckily, mine is at 2.58. I'm still in that range of that 2.5 to 2.7, and I've had mine for quite a while. I don't understand why mine is lasting so long. Um, but hey, great. I was going to order another batch or another container of it. And at least now I can hold off for a couple more months because I'm getting close to the bottom of it. And I may not get such a big bottle. Well, I'll show you. So, so there's that. So I just wanted to throw this quick video out, even though it's probably not that quick, just to let you guys know. Just check the pH of your star sand in solution, 1 ounce to 5 gallons, and make sure that it's under 3.5 pH. So we got that going for us, saving some money because I didn't feel like buying another thing of star sand yet. All right, guys.